Alright, I recall finding one bolt, maybe two. But if you look at this diagram, I have everything. Here's the two 5.9s right there. There's the two 5.9s, the 12 millimeters and the 9.5 centimeter and 12 millimeter. These two, 9.5 and the 12 millimeters. Then we go to 7.2 and 6.2. Well, everything is accounted for except for these two. These are the bolts that either somebody dropped, loosened, or did something with. But I am missing these two bolts, and I've been sitting here saying to myself, what's going on? What's going on is that somebody dropped these bolts or loosened these bolts, because it's 7.2 and 6.2. Luckily, I came prepared. And there we are, new engine bolts, new bearings. Okay, we got new bearings for the crankcase, camshaft. This is the part that I lost. And here are all the engine bolts. Look at that. I got a spare set of engine bolts because I bought an extra engine case. So here they are. So I'll look through there for the 7.2 and 6.2.